Welcome to the messy garage. I'm gonna make a video later when I have it all finished, but I got some workbenches to replace this one, so everything will be nice and stored. Toolboxes. Some new 200 watt equivalent LED lights. Back here is a Husky LED work light. That'll be great for some future polishing videos. But today, I'm going to talk about these. Whatever is in here. So just give me a few seconds to unbox them. And then a little bit of what's on top of there too, we're going to talk about. Here we go. Look at that. Some fiberglass damned fenders. Look pretty good quality. They're actually from the 2008 Legacy, so I'll need to convert the whole front end, but so far they look pretty good quality. It's hard to tell with fiberglass because it might look good, but then when you go to install it, nothing fits, which I'm not expecting this is going to be very easy. Let's see if I can get some of this off. Knife would be good. Put on the ground for now. But there you go. So the reason why I bought these was mostly for how wide they are. Because I'm going to widen the rear with flares, so I'm showing you what I'm going to use. But at the same time, it would be neat to convert to the whole JDM front end to make it look like the Revision D and F, I think it's called. So I'll do some research on that. So I'm not quite sure how much wider they are in the factory. But let's take a look, grab a tape measure. So, just give you a good brush of looks. It shows how much wider it is. I think they claim to be 25 or 30 mil. I guess it's hard to tell just by looking at it like that. And if you really care about your car, I suggest putting masking tape on everything that'll scratch it, but all this front end is being replaced and repainted anyway, so it's not a big deal if I scratch it with some fiberglass. So it looks like this line just kind of goes down a little bit more. This one sticks out a little more. But the biggest part is the rear here that you'll be able to see. Got this extra lip right here, and especially down here, this all sticks out. Where the rear, there's this flush, goes towards the door. Cool. And these are flares I'll be using in the rear. They are OEM Outback flares, so they'll fit the contour perfectly. You should see that pretty good. And they're not too wide. I think they are. A guy in Quebec put these flares on his wagon, and I think there's about 30 mil wider. I think it's a little bit less actually, 20 or 30. And I kind of like how the rear end just stops here instead of having it on the bumper. Because when I have a little bit wider, I'll just extend the mud flap a little bit up so it covers that wheel. So yeah, I kind of like, the reason why I went the Outback flares is because they're OEM plastic too. And I have hit the rear end here and on the rocker panel down there, like at Rallycross and the snowbanks and stuff, so I didn't want anything fiberglass on the rear in case I smash it. Oh, nice focus camera. Cool. But yeah, there's a little. This is all scuffed and cracked down there from hitting a snowbank pretty hard. But yeah. So I think let's compare these. Let's see how much wider they are. If the just to see if these are the same width as the fenders. So just a little rough measurement. So there's the fenders. Really got the flares. And if I try and line these up a little bit, it's hard to tell. It's not going to be super wide. Like I won't need to run like 285 tires or anything, but it'll be enough to so I could cut out the rust and stuff, which hopefully I'll be doing soon. Just got to get a air compressor set up in here so I can do some painting, and yeah, pretty cool. So I bid on a whole front end on eBay. I just gotta wait. Oh, one thing I'll show you guys too is, see how square like the revision A and C lights are, and then you got, that's the shape of the D and F, so the whole headlights need to be changed. The hood is the same, the hood will fit, but the bumper and everything else will need to get done. And I'll be videotaping or vlogging or documenting the whole install on this, so that'll be pretty fun, and you guys will see like how pain in the ass fiberglass is. Like I said, it looks nice right now, but I could just imagine like these things aren't going to line up properly. Even all the mounting holes on the top, I bet you I'll have to drill those a little bit bigger and do some adjustments. But who knows? Maybe it'll go well. The rear should go well because it's OEM, but not the front. So stay tuned for that.